There's a friend in Fimble Valley that we're on our way to see, to hear him tell his stories, maybe stay for tea. He's a mole who's living underground and his name is Roly Mo. Roly, 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 roly mo. He's the rolliest mo you'll ever know, and his name is Roly Mo.
La 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 la. Hello to you. How do you do? Oh, did you hear that? That was my tummy rumbling. I'm ready for my tea. Ready? Then off we go. Whee!
Oh, hello there. And how are you today? I've just made some Moly Munchies for tea. Oh, and I'm going to cover them up while they're cooling down. Oh, did you hear that? That was my tummy rumbling. I'm looking forward to those Moly Munchies. Oh.
Hello, Uncle Roly.
Oh, hello there, little Bo. I was just telling our friends that I'm looking forward to some Moly Munchies.
Oh, so am I, Uncle Roly. Have you made some?
I certainly have. Shall we go and find them?
Yummity yum!
Oh dear, I am hungry. Oh.
Yugo!
Migo!
Wigo! Amigo! Let's go-go!
What was that?
It wasn't me.
Well, it wasn't me.
It's a funny sound.
Let's find it.
Yes! Find that sound!
Oh, now, where are they?
What you looking for, Uncle Roly?
The Moly Munchies. They seem to have gone.
Gone?
Yes, they were here, and now they're not.
Oh, what are we going to do?
We're going to find them, of course.
Yes, find those Moly Munchies.
Find that sound! We're looking up!
We're looking down.
That funny sound
Is nowhere to be found.
Where it is, we just don't know. We just can't find it. Where it is, we just don't know. We just can't find it.
We're looking high.
We're looking low. Where did those Moly Munchies go? Where they are, we just don't know. We just can't find them. Where they are, we just don't know. We just can't find them. We just can't find them. Just can't find them. Oh, maybe they fell down behind the sofa. Oh.
Nope, nothing here.
Did you hear that?
What?
Oh, nothing. Come on, let's...
Go-go!
Oh, well, they're not behind the sofa. Ugh.
We're looking up!
We're looking down.
That funny sound
Is nowhere to be found.
Where it is, we just don't know. We just can't find it. Where it is, we just don't know. We just can't find it.
We're looking high.
We're looking low. Where did those Moly Munchies go? Where they are, we just don't know. We just can't find them. Where they are, we just don't know. We just can't find them. We just can't find them. Just can't find them. Ooh.
I wonder if they've fallen down the back of the bed.
There's something in here.
Bo!
Boo to you!
Oh, little Bo, it's you.
Yes, it's me. What are you two up to?
We're looking for something.
Oh, I'm looking for something too. What are you looking for?
A sound.
A sound?
Yes, it went like this.
Blap, 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 blap. No, it didn't. It went like this. Harua, harua.
Oh dear, we better look in my busy book. Busy book, let's take a look. Someone is hiding. Who can it be? Is it a Fimble? Who can you see? It's Baby Pom. What are we going to do today, Baby Pom? Oh, did you hear that? What's that sound?
That sounds like a train.
That's right, it is a train. That's a different sound. What could it be?
That sounds like a drum.
It is a drum. That's a funny sound. I wonder what it could be. It sounds like water.
That's a rain cloud.
So it's a raindrop. Now what's that sound? I know. It sounds like bouncing. Now what makes a bouncing sound like that?
Hey!
It's Rocket!
Oh, smelly jelly.
Thank you, Baby Pom. Thank you, Rocket. See you again soon.
Well, gotta keep on looking.
See you later.
Snooter-gator.
Let's see what we can find in the kitchen.
Look,
What is it?
food. Scrumptious food. Moly Munchies, my favourite.
Come on, Migo, we've got to find that sound first.
There it is again.
What can it be?
Maybe someone's after the Moly Munchies.
Oh, do you think so?
Oh, yeah.
Who likes Moly Munchies then?
Well, I like Moly Munchies.
But it's not you that's making that sound. Is it?
No.
I like Moly Munchies. But it's not me. The blue galoo!
It's the blue galoo.
He's come to get the Moly Munchies.
What are we going to do? Run away!
Moly, Moly Munchies, where are you?
What you doing, Roly Mo?
I'm looking for something.
We found something.
Have you?
The blue galoo.
The blue galoo?
Yes, it made a sound like this. Blub, 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 blub.
No, it didn't. It made a sound like this. Harumma, harumma.
That reminds me of a story. Would you like to hear it?
Yes, please, Roly.
When you take a look inside a book,
Who knows what you will see?
When you take a look inside the book,
it's fun as fun can be.
With cats and dogs and birds and frogs.
a monkey who says boo, boo.
Wonderful things, giants and kings.
And maybe a thimble or two.
Now what have we here?
When you take a look inside a book,
Who knows what you might see?
A story or rhyme. Just take the time.
To read along with me. Books over here, books over there. Find me a book with a story to share. A funny sound story, if you please. Oh, thank you. Now then, are you sitting comfortably?
Yes! Wait for me!
Ready? Good. Then I'll begin. One day, Jip and Jamila were playing in the treetops. They were having fun monkeying around, when suddenly Jamila heard something strange.
Jip, was that you?
She asked.
No,
He replied.
I thought it was you.
Then they both heard the noise again.
It might be Baby Elephant,
Said Jamila.
he squeaks when he's feeling shy.
It can't be, said Jip. He couldn't climb all the way up here. Maybe it's Sunil then, said Jamila. He can climb. It's not Sunil, said Jip. He's down there playing with Baby Hippo. Who is it then? Asked Jamila. I don't know, said Jip. But let's squeak back to see if we can make it go away. So the two monkeys squeaked as loudly as they could. Eek! Eek! Listen, said Jip. Whoever it is squeaking back. He squeaked again. Eek! Eek! Hello, said the pink kaplink. What are you two doing here? We were playing, said Jip, and we heard a funny noise like this. Eek! That was me, replied the pink kaplink. I heard a funny noise too, like this. Eek! That was us, laughed Jamila. We've been playing hide and squeak with you, said Jip. Let's do it again, said the pink kaplink. And so they all played hide and squeak until it was time for tea. Lovely.
Was that you making that sound, Roly?
Yes, it was. My tummy is rumbling.
But that's our sound.
It wasn't the blue galoo, it was you.
Yes. Well, I'm very hungry.
You need Moly Munchies, Roly Mo.
I know. We've been looking for them.
But we can't find them anywhere.
But we know where they are.
Do you?
Yes, they're in the kitchen.
Are they?
Yes, under the blue tea towel.
Oh, yes, of course. I put them there to cool down.
Oh, Uncle Roly.
Silly me. But haven't we had fun today?
Yes, it's been a roly-moly day.
You will come and join us next time in Fimble Valley, won't you? Now it's time for us all to go. Cheerio!
Oh, that was my tummy.
Oh, that was my tummy.
That was my tummy.
Whose tummy was that?
It's the blue galoo!